Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is around the corner. It's what, like 2-3 days? That's it. And you can see my Christmas tree is all decked up. So on the occasion of Christmas, today I'm gonna share a recipe with you, which is a no-bake eggless brownie to make your life much easier. So I hope it will be a hassle-free Christmas for you. So let's start with the recipe.
In a pan, take 1 cup of oats and dry roast it. So we will roast it till they turn slightly brown in color. Make sure you don't burn them. So you can see my oats have started to change color. Now the oats are ready, we are going to keep them aside. Now take 200 grams of dark chocolate and roughly chop them. So now we are going to melt this chocolate. So for that, transfer them in a bowl, and in another pan take water and start heating it. Once this water starts getting heated, just transfer this chocolate pan on top of that pan in which you have the water. So in this way we are going to melt the chocolate. Now once the chocolate has melted a little bit, you add 50 grams of butter into it. Instead of butter you can also use half cup of oil. Okay, now the next step is this. You can totally skip this step. But who are gonna do it, I'll let you know that take 7 to 8 biscuits. Here I'm using bourbon, but I would prefer that you should use hide and seek. I was out of hide and seek. So take the biscuits and finely grind them in a mixer grinder. So our biscuit mixture is ready. Now keep it aside. Now take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and add a little bit of hot water into it. Now keep it aside. Looks tempting. Okay, now take 10 to 12 walnuts and finely chop them. So you can see our chocolate is melted properly. It looks so yummy that I feel like eating it right away. Okay, now let it cool down at room temperature, and then add the coffee mixture along with 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Mix them properly. Once done, then we'll add the dry ingredients. So here goes the biscuit mixture. If you're not using it, totally skip it and directly add the oats. Now give them a good mix. Then add in the walnuts. So our brownie mixture is ready. Now take a pan and line it with some oil or butter. If you have parchment paper, you can use it. I don't have it. So here I'm just adding the biscuit mixture because I don't have the parchment paper. So it becomes easy to remove it from the mold. Now transfer your brownie mixture into this pan and spread it out. It totally depends how thick you want to make it. So accordingly you can spread it out. Unfortunately my pan is a little big for my mixture, so I'm not spreading it all over the pan, otherwise it will form a very thin layer. Now we are gonna cool it for 2 to 3 hours. Refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours, this is how my brownie looks. Let's cut it. They look so yummy. You can eat them directly from here, or you can just heat them a little bit and have it with vanilla ice cream and some chocolate syrup.
So guys, that was the recipe of no bake brownie. I hope you all liked it. Do try it at home and don't forget to tag me in your posts and your pictures and your videos. And also, before signing off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.